I have been so busy lately, I have completely forgotten to open up my Michael's grab boxes. I know it's a weird angle, but here we go. I only picked up 2 this time. Got enough trouble trying to find places to store things. This would have been all fall type merchandise. Patio clips. That's cool. Might be able to use those for something. Some pretty fall flowers. These were $9.99 each, and it looks like I've got 3 of these. Welcome, like a shelf sitter thing. This was $14.99. And the old turkey platter. Plastic, but hey, I can use it for something. $19.99. Ooh. Pretty canister. $12.99. 1, 2. All right, I've got 2 fall hydrangeas at $3.99 each. Oh, this is pretty. $9.99. That's pretty. Just a little bouquet. $9.99. Get some of these out of the way here. $14.99. Cute little basket. Oh, another thing of ribbon. And that's really pretty. $9.99 as well. And everyone needs the mushroom. $14.99. I'm sure I can figure out something to do with it. More flowers. Here's 2 more of those hydrangeas, or 3 more of those, 2. And then I've got another set of flowers here. Looks like daisies. $4, $9.99. Looks like he's missing a flower unless it's in here. A couple of flowers. And then I really like these. These are like those paper flowers. And these were $9.99 as well. The old picture of a turkey in the woods. Take him out. I think that'd be pretty. It's in pretty good shape. And $19.99. We did pretty good on this one. Get some of these things out of the way. Green velvet ribbon. Looks like it has like frayed edges. That's pretty cool. And this was $9.99. A sign that reminds us to eat. I don't have a problem with that. That's $9.99. Oh, let's come off the picture. Paper pumpkin. It's cute. $5.99. And it looks like we have some little gourds. 99 cents. There's 3 of those. Oh, little pumpkin. He might have fallen off of something. And some more pumpkins and gourds. $2.99, $2.99. Ooh, $6.99. And $2.99. Take these just in case. Let me go back on something. All right, that's all that's in that box. All right, now we have our second box. This one is heavy. I have got a craft pumpkin, $10. What's so heavy in here? A wreath, kind of a strange wreath. That's 20 bucks. Trying to get things out of the way here. Oh geez, there's another one. Same thing, 20 bucks. Oh, another craft pumpkin. At $10. This one's coming out to be something pretty cool. And of course, everyone needs a pink one at $10. What are you gonna do with a pink pumpkin? Oh, what do we got here? Place cards. Turkey place cards. Looks like you color them. Alrighty, $4. Honeycomb turkeys for the table, $10 each. There's 3 of those. And I've got some honeycomb pumpkins, 2 of those at $10 each. Not sure what I'm going to do with this stuff here, but it's interesting. Okay, some Creatology kits. My granddaughters love these. I've got one that's a sunflower that is $5. One that looks like it's cards. And of course, these are all fall. And some, looks like used toilet paper rolls for this one. Another one that's cards. Little mushroom ornaments. These are $2.99, and there's 2 of those. And one that makes an owl out of like an embroidery hoop. That's $5. Baking cups. These are kind of pretty for $3.99. Hey, and you don't have to bake, you know, you can always use them for nuts. The old paper sunglasses, $1.99. Oh boy, we got more. Turkeys, turkeys, turkeys. What would you make with this? Oh, come on, this is crazy. All right. Whoever put this box together had to be laughing. Oh, cute. Oh, 3 of them. Little Thanksgiving paper plates. What is this, a raccoon? There's 3 of these, and these were $5.99 each. Silverware. Those are pretty. 2 sets here at $3.99. You never know what you're going to get with this stuff. My granddaughters will love these. These are $5.99 each. There's 3 of those. Does this look more like a raccoon? I don't know what it is. Oh, little foxes. Cute. $5.99. Same thing. 3 of them. Large honeycomb pumpkin for the table. That's $10. Oh, 2 of them at $10 each. So wow. I mean, one of these paid for the box. Pack these up real quick, and I'll pack up some of the other things. I did get a couple of cool things. Of course, the flowers always, and the ribbon. The 2 white craft pumpkins, and those wreaths I'll be able to tear apart and do something different with. It was a pretty cool haul. I've had better where it was filled with ribbon, but it just depends on what they've had left over. So don't pass up a grab box if you see it. If you're in your local Michael's and you see one of these signs on these boxes, you're not supposed to be able to open them. Usually they're taped shut, or at least closed pretty well unless someone's been peeking in them. They just stack them all up, and you just choose which ones you want, take them to the register, and take them home. I'll see you again soon. Bye.